Because I can read Arabic, but I can't.
When the game is done.
So nobody knows the chickens?
Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be one in there. Yeah, man.
Oh, God.
Ginger, turmeric, lemongrass, nutmeg, jumbo, karibo, akuna matata.
Wow. Food like a jackfruit, star fruit, pickled fruit.
Yes. We go?
Yeah, maybe that one is better. You want this one also? It grows around the tree. Okay. So do you have any idea about this one? No. What type of plant is this? Where do you think this from? What kind of beans?
Green beans,
No, purple beans.
purple beans.
Not sugar beans. These are not beans. No, I don't know. Bro. You don't know it? No. So these are vanilla.
It's a beach bag.
That was nice here. Okay, so now here you have this piece. So you can smell this. Smell and yes. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Are you sure? No, black pepper. Black pepper? Yeah. No. White pepper? No. No, cardamom? No. Cloves? No. Can I put it on me so I can smell spicy? Yeah.
It smells so good actually.
Okay, so this is cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Smell?
Yeah. So
Smell?
like this, every
Smell?
smells. Okay.
Smells so nice.
One side.
No?
Then other
Cinnamon,
side,
mommy loves cinnamon.
because
What are they?
yeah.
Lilies. Zainu Abidin.
I'm going to give you heads for the king and the crown for the queen. Oh, wow. And also prince. Prince.
What is this, the mango leaves or banana leaves?
Coconut leaves.
Coconut leaves.
Yes. Where? In South Africa. It's like this. It's not. Okay? Take it.
Come see your hat.
Here's your hat, Habibi.
Look, Uncle made you a hat.
Bismillah. It's okay. Put it on.
Okay, okay.
Can he put it on for you?
Yeah.
No?
Wow. Okay, Daddy, put it on.
Put it on your
Put it on your end.
My head is small. Yeah. I mean big. Yeah, but
The hat is small. He's interested.
It's goldfish. You want to touch it?
Hey.
What's your name? Have you ever tasted this?
No.
So now you can taste.
No.
Right. That is me in Swahili, mbuzi. Mbuzi. Me. Habibi. You know it? Can I bite it? Yeah.
It's a bell pepper. Is it? Eating it?
It's like a bessie.
A bessie?
Or lemon.
Pickled
So if
fruit.
you don't have lime or lemon, you take this one, you cut into small pieces, you put in the sauce to make a sour taste. I need to smell it, but it looks like it. Yeah, I would. So here you have these trees.
Okay.
So now it's a fruit. You see?
What's that?
Yeah. Look, that's a coffee bean, baby. Yes, it is coffee. So this is a coffee tree. And we have two types of coffee.
Okay.
We have Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee. Okay. So this is Robusta coffee because Arabica coffee they grow. That's a bushy plant. And they're small trees.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you eat this? Yeah, you can. It is sweet. It's hard though, man. So in coffee, if they want to produce coffee, they start with the wet flowers, which they have a strong smell like a jasmine.
Okay.
And the coffee flowers we use for making Zanzibar mixed perfume.
Okay.
Yeah. And after flowers, they produce green coffee. When they are young, it's like this. So when they are mature, they change to become yellow and red in color. So we harvest them, then we peel off the skin, we dry. After drying, we roast them to get black. Yeah. So here in Zanzibar, we don't use much coffee because we don't like it. It has a bitter taste for us. So, but all the people, they like to drink coffee.
Yes.
So they believe when they drink the coffee at the night, they like to sleep.
The house.
Wow!
Wow! So nice!
So, and around of it, they produce green pepper. So when they are mature, they change to become yellow and ready. Stomach pain, you take leaves, you boil, then you drink it. Yeah. So Indian people, they use for cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, everywhere when they cook it.
Yeah.
Curry leaf.
We follow both from India,
Oh, okay.
but I'm South Africa. Okay. Wow.
Yeah. These are.
Yeah, then this rice.
Let me
You
see.
can taste it.
Taste.
I see something.
You can actually eat this?
Habibi.
So the
Very
No. This is spice?
coconut.
It looks like the lychee thing, but I'm not sure.
okay. You can just for inside.
Like pomegranate.
Can I smell it?
You can touch it.
Julia.
Can I eat it?
No. Look at this one.
Wow.
So this.
Okay. What's the number 8?
Come here, Zainabadin.
Is the rope for grip?
Rope?
For grip. Like,
Pole, very.
we'll see.
Okay, now we go.
Watch your ankle.
See the uncle climbing the tree, Habibi?
Mommy.
Sorry.
Jumbo, Jumbo.
Jumbo, Jumbo.
Hakuna.
Hakuna.
Welcome to
Zanzibar.
Zanzibar.
Hakuna Matata.
Matata.
Ati malaika. Woo!
Yeah.
Nina kupenda
Come see here.
malaika. Woo!
Zinabidi.
Ati ni kijana mwenzio.
Nashindwa na malisi.
Nashindwa na malisi. We. Ningekuwa
Mala.
malaika. Jambo.
Jumbo!
Hakuna
Matata.
Welcome to
Zanzibar.
Hakuna Matata!
sana.
Uena sana.
Ati
Wageni!
wakaribisha Zanzibar.
Anza. That is frog necklace.
What?
Why do you call it frog?
Yeah, that is frog. You can look at the shape. Look at it.
The shape of a frog. Okay.
Yeah.
Na mwingine. And the bracelet.
Okay.
Hiyo pete utampa mumewe. Sio kamvisha wewe.
After you drink that what you call it?
Masala.
For staying awake? No, for the ladies. You get this? Yeah, for the lady. This is
That is ring for her. You can wear, yeah, you can wearing her.
oh, there's a ring. Okay.
Kimeumana.
Wait, mommy, put it on there.
And crown.
Wow, this is so cool. Yeah, baby.
So now you are the queen.
Here's Zanzibar. Thank you.
And
Abidi?
Mama.
and for the king.
Oh, the hat?
Visha.
Put yours on. See, Daddy's gonna put his on.
Okay.
Visha huyo. So here's a tie for the king.
That's awesome. Going to
Do they
the.
actually wear this in the township, in the village, or not?
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay.
So now I'm gonna check my tie.
Visha.
Wow. MashAllah.
Not too many calories.
Nutmeg roots.
Like the dry spices.
Okay.
How much is this?
10 Yeah. Lemongrass. Okay. Okay.
Is this our shopping basket? Okay.
Yeah, I need some spice.
Some
No.